guys, Tom Eckers with MarineMax in Pensacola, Florida. Just want to take a moment to show you a 2019 brand new Grand Mariner 250. This one has the twin engines. So right off the back of this pontoon, you're going to notice twin Mercury 300 Verado engines. Fantastic engines, they're going to run really well. Moving into this pontoon, you're going to see the French gray interior. This is the single lounger layout with two captain's chairs. This lounger back here, little flip-flop seat, so you have a little more of a lounging space right here with it this way. Otherwise, you can have more of a conversation area in the boat with it flop back like this. The two captain's chairs are always comfortable. For the captain himself, he's going to have a nice SIMRAD display for his charts. He's also going to have engine vitals on here if he's interested. JL audio head unit. He's got analog gauges here. All of your controls for the rest of the boat right there. I've got twin engines on the back, so twin throttles right there. Easy to control, push start, push stop, digital throttle system. Really nice to use, really user friendly. Moving further into the boat, Harris is obviously known for their quality, for their construction. You're gonna have double stitching everywhere. That French gray interior just looking great. The infinity woven flooring made to look like a teak flooring. It's gonna hold up really well. If you have any additional questions about this pontoon, or if you have any questions about any of our other inventory, by all means, always reach out to myself, Tom Eckers, or any of the sales associates here. Be happy to help you. As always, please like and subscribe for more videos.